So in today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the MUBVIEW 4G LTE solar powered security camera right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So MUBVIEW has sent me another solar security camera to review and give my honest review about that. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and do a nice review, and then I'll show you some video footage of how nice this camera is. Now this is I believe this is a newer style camera. This is their 4G LTE cellular security camera with a solar panel. So this is the 4G version, which means it needs a SIM card, which is also included inside the box, where I'll show you here in a minute. But this camera does not connect to Wi-Fi, so this camera is really meant to be used out while maybe in the hunting area that you hunt in, or out in the anywhere where there's no Wi-Fi. In other words, anywhere, somewhere in the jungle or somewhere out and about. So, in an area that there is no Wi-Fi, anywhere in the Wi-Fi near you, and you also don't need to plug it in because the included solar panel inside the box is what powers it. So looking at some of the features of this camera before I start the unboxing, you can actually gives you a live view. It's got instant notifications. It also has a built-in two-way audio system. It's a 3 megapixel camera with a 2K resolution and full HD. It has a rechargeable battery, which is very nice. It is also weather resistant. I believe it's IP66 water rated, and it also has color night vision. And this connects to the 3G and 4G LTE network, which is the cellular data. You can also has an option to you can share it with has an option where you can choose and toggle between multi-user sharing, which is nice. And also you can also customize the area of which the camera operates, and like different zones and whatnot. So this is the side of the box, and here's their brand, MUBVIEW. You probably heard about it because they actually specialize in security, multiple different styles and sizes of security solar cameras and plugged-in powered cameras. And so this is the top of the box, and here is the side of the box, and you can see, so this is the MUBVIEW 4G LTE, some certifications, and right on this other side, this is powered by a power supply of a DC 5 volts and 2 amps. The working temperature is -4 Fahrenheit, all the way up to 122 degrees. This is a pan, tilt, and zoom camera. That's what PTZ stands for. So it's going to pan up to 355 degrees, and it's going to tilt up to 120 degrees. The compatible devices are Android and Apple devices, which is very nice. So that covers both sides. The built-in audio has a built-in microphone and speaker as well. The network supports 4G LTE and 4G band, basically 4G connection. Items provided are the camera, the SIM card, and the solar panel, which I'm gonna show here in a minute. The security uses the user authentication software encryption. So basically, your connection between the camera and the Wi-Fi and your device are encrypted, which is very nice. It gives you some more privacy. It has an IR night vision, 10 million color night vision, 1.5 watt. Also has a spotlight, LED spotlight, which is 1.5 watts. So let me go ahead and take out everything outside the box. This is a decent sized box, and it seems like it's packed very well. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So, oops, put this in the viewing angle. Alright guys, so here is their MUBVIEW, kind of like their business card in a way. Here's their email address for tech support. There's their website, and there's their they also have a Facebook page as well, just in case you need to get a hold of them. And it says scan with Amazon shopping app. Here's some information on the back of it. And then here is the MUBVIEW quick start guide. And this is, let's take a quick look at that. Put the side. So here we have the QR code for the MUBVIEW app. So it says scan the QR code with your camera on your phone or tablet, whatever you're trying to install the app on. Here's the table of contents, and this looks like a nice size quick start guide, and it's also printed in color. And it seems like it's very easy to read, and it goes directly into how to download and install the application, how to connect giving the app permission settings. Here we have register account and the application. Installing and downloading the application is very easy. It just takes a couple of minutes. And it says choose the SIM card, insert the SIM card, power on the camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and add camera to the application. And here shows you that the camera needs to be facing your smartphone or smart device in order to verify that you are the person that's trying to add this camera to your app and not someone else, to give you some more privacy and security. So here's the solar panel, ladies and gentlemen, and it says MUBVIEW, and this is a good sized solar panel. Looks like it's about 6 or 7 inches tall, about 5 or 6 inches wide, and it seems like it comes with a quite long, I'd say about 5 to 10 feet USB-C charging cable, which is very nice. That'll come handy. And of course it says we need to remove the sticker right here before usage, of course, because obviously it's a solar panel. We'll put that aside for a minute. And then inside the box, what else is here? Let's see. So here we have, this is gonna be the rotating, this is what the solar panel mounts on, because of course it's gonna have to be adjustable so it can face the sun directly. We'll put that aside. And then here we have this piece right here is the camera mount. This is what the camera slides into. So basically a couple of screws on top and a couple of screws on the back, and basically your camera slides right into this. And this is a very nice camera. Wow. So here it is. This is, as you can see, this is the MUBVIEW 4G LTE security solar camera. Even still has the sticker on it. Actually, I need to move that so you guys can see it. So it has dual LED lights, and these are the 1.5 watts. There's the camera and there's the lens right there. And this is a very nice finished camera, guys. And then here is the it has two large antennas. I'd say these antennas are about 5 to 6 inches long, and of course these are adjustable just to make sure you have enough space. And so here's the back side of the camera. So the way this would work, so what I want to show you guys is that there's two slots. This is the charging. This is where you plug in the solar panel. So I want to show you guys, this is where the charging port is for the solar panel, for the wireless security camera, and of course it's a USB-C port. There it is. But I do highly recommend charging this solar security powered camera with indoors before you plug it in outside with the solar panel, because you want your security camera to be 100% fully charged before you install it. And then the solar panel will be providing continuous juice to keep it topped off. So I highly recommend using any USB-C cable that you have around the house to plug it in for like 5 to 6 to 7 hours to fully charge the camera before you start using it. And then once you're done, I'm just going to close that. And then here on the bottom of the camera, there's another rubber piece here that you can remove. And these are waterproof, by the way. And here we can see several things. Here on the left hand side, you can see the power button, and the button on the right hand side is the reset button. So if once you press down to turn on or off the camera, you press and hold down the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds. And this camera actually tells you whether it's in pairing mode or it has connected or not connected or whatnot. And then here is this camera also has a micro SD slot. I believe this is the micro SD slot, and the one on the right hand side is the SIM card slot, I believe. I'll have to look at the manual here in a minute, but I believe this is the micro SD card for storage, for local storage, and then this is the SIM card slot on the right hand side. So to turn it on, you just press and hold down the power button.
Connecting. Please wait.
So as you can see, it says connecting. Please wait. And now we're going to go ahead and install the MUBVIEW app. So you're going to go ahead and open up either your Apple device or your Android device. You can want to go.
Connecting. Please wait.
Now you want to go ahead and download the application, the MUBVIEW application from the Play Store or from the App Store on an Apple device. And we're going to click on. Going to get out of that. And I already have installed the MUBVIEW application, so I'm going to go ahead and just search for it. So you just search for MUBVIEW app. I'm going to click on that. Now you can see this is the blue icon where it says MUBVIEW.
Connection successful.
And here,
waiting for app to add.
And here I'm going to go ahead and open up the application. And as you can see, connection was successful to the app. For you, it's going to say install if you haven't installed this application before. For me, it said open because I have already installed it and used it. because I have reviewed other MUBVIEW security cameras from this company, which they seem to make great cameras, to be honest. So now it says the camera is waiting for
Waiting for app to add.
So basically, what it's really saying is add me to the application. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the plus sign to add a device, and we're gonna go ahead and click on
Waiting for app to add.
please turn on Wi-Fi and GPS. Oh, that's why. So we need to turn on location services. Make sure your Wi-Fi is also turned on and that you are connected to your local Wi-Fi. Now we're gonna go back here. We're gonna press OK after turning on Wi-Fi and GPS. Now we're gonna search for, okay, location is turned on. I'm gonna back up just to go back into the MUBVIEW app, and we're gonna
Waiting for app to add.
Gonna go back up one more step. So here we have Bluetooth permission request. Application wants to turn on Bluetooth allow. We're gonna go ahead. Oh yeah. So you're gonna have to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and your GPS enabled in order to do this, in order to connect to the camera. So this is gonna be a power plug camera or a baby monitor or floodlight camera, 4G camera. So we're gonna look for the option on the left hand side. Like I said, they make several different cameras,
Waiting
guys.
for app to add.
And you want to look for the option where it says 4G camera. We're going to click on that. So now it says actually turn on the camera of my phone. It says please scan the QR code on the device body or manual to add.
Waiting for app to add.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
So I have to scan the QR code on the back of the camera again. Now it says connecting. So it's giving me like a 2-minute timer. Now it says choose family. I'm going to choose Chris's home. Okay. Now I'm going to click done. Now it says basically installation guide. I'm going to click next.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
So now you need to face your phone or your tablet. Your phone, most likely that was what you installed the app on, needs to be facing the camera lens to make sure that you are the person adding it to your network and not someone else. And now it says getting data stream. And now it says loading finished. We're going to click done. We're going to click OK. Allow MUBVIEW to access photos, media, and files on your device. You want to give it permission. You want to say allow. And now it says save successfully. So this is the camera on top. This is this one that I just installed right now. So I'm gonna, once you want to enter the camera view, you just want to click on, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, okay, now let me go ahead and start recording my screen from the other phone so you can see clearly what I'm doing here, and you can get a very clear picture of what the camera resolution is like. Much better than doing it this way. Alright guys, so I went ahead and remove the front sticker that was on top of the lens to keep it nice and clean and protected. I'm going to go ahead and mount the camera on the side of the wall, and then we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and talk about the features, and we'll see what kind of resolution we got, and we'll go ahead. I'll also record the screen of my other phone to show you exactly what the app looks like, because it's really user friendly and it's very easy to use. I think anyone can use it, and it's a very nice app. It gives you a lot of information, pretty much everything that you need. So I'll get back to you while let me go ahead and install it, and then we'll talk about that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and installed the solar panel onto the wall. Of course, I'm doing this indoors because this is for demonstration purposes only. Now I went ahead and screw that into the wall, okay? And then the solar panel is adjustable, by the way. And then here's the camera. You want to make sure the solar panel that is, of course, needs to be plugged in on the bottom of the camera right there. And the antennas are adjustable just to make sure that you have enough space. And then you want to make sure you want to turn on the camera. I don't think it's turned on because there's no light right now. So we're going to go ahead and open up the bottom and hit the power button, which is going to be, when the camera is facing you, the power button should be on your left hand side. There it is. The light is turning on. Alright guys, so here we are on the main screen of my phone. So once you have located the MUBVIEW application, mine is all the way on the top right hand side of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And here's the application, and the camera that is activated and that's turned on should be in, see, should be the one on top, 112.836.180. That's the name of the security camera. Of course, you can always rename it, so we're going to click on that one time. Now we can see the entire application. You can see the name. If you ever need to change the name, if you want to rename the camera from 112.836 to 180 to something else, you click on the settings tab on the top right. Click on that, and here you can click on receive alert notifications. I'm going to turn that off just for the moment. There's alarm management, and if you want to change the name of it, you can do. There's image settings, device share, installation guide, data plan, work indicator, time setting, sound setting, video encryption, battery management. You can check for new version, restart device, or delete the device if you need to. And then if you'd ever need to change the name, you just click on the name itself where it says 1128. And now here's the device name. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to rename it to, say, my channel, for example, reviews and tech. Oops, tech. We're going to click save on the top right. And that says reviews and tech. There's a serial number, ICC ID number, IMEI. Usually the average Joe Schmo does not need this unless you want to change the time zone. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back again. And here's the camera, ladies and gentlemen. It's just trying to reconnect real quick. You can see the battery status on the left hand side, that is fully charged 100%. You can see the signal. It's only using 120 kilobits per second, and it's on the 4G network. You can change the resolution quality. First, let me go ahead and tilt. Let's see. Let's go ahead and change it to, say, you can choose from standard definition or high definition, which is QHD. Okay, and then here you can take a screenshot just by clicking screenshot, and there's the screenshot being previewed on the bottom left. Or you can hold to talk. You can just press hold down that button, or you can record. So I'm going to click on record, and now it says recording on the bottom right in red. Okay, if you want to stop recording, you just click the record button again. And then there's the motion detection feature, which is right here on the bottom left. Once you turn this on, I turn it off. There's detection sensitivity. There's the automatic sensitivity connection, power saving mode, performance mode, alert plan, humanoid alert alarm area, and audio warning, and strobe light. So, or you can create a custom mode where it says on the blue line, custom mode. So I'm going to go back, and now let's go ahead and continue. The camera's just reconnecting. Now this camera is a PTZ camera, which means it's a pan, tilt, and zoom camera, which is very nice. So I'm going to click on that. Now you can see, and it just moved down. And now I'm going to go ahead and move to the right. Actually, there's a slight delay. Okay, there it is. So, and there's also a light feature. Just turn on the light, so you can tell right there. That light feature is pretty bright. There's a siren mode. There's an audio warning and strobe light. And if you want to view this camera in full mode, full screen mode, you just tilt your phone sideways. And there it is, guys. Full screen mode. So I'm going to back up out of that. So once again, this is the application, and then on the top right settings tab, if you click on that icon on the top right of the screen, there's a whole bunch of settings that you can go through. I don't want to go through these because there's just too many. If you need to check the version of the app, you can just check on check new version. And it seems like there's a version upgrade. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys made it this far into the video, I hope I didn't make this too long. I tried to show as many features as possible. If you guys made it this far and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you guys click on the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a whole lot to me. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next time, and I'll leave the link in the description along with I believe a 20% coupon code as well for you in the description. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know right down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.